Hello, 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 Jim here. You probably are this guy, but whatever, you know. Let's go over the product. First and foremost, your English are terrible. I checked the sales page. They have too many misspelling and a lot of sentences doesn't make sense because your English is kind of broken. Okay, I totally understand because English is not your first language. So let's go over this now. Okay, okay, fashion tab. Now I see. Okay, this thing. Okay, you see the quantity and the color. This is terrible layout. Terrible. You see how big is that that line here? It's enormous. Okay. You probably need to have smaller this so color and quantity to be on the same line. So to be able to change that and that on the same line. This will push everything higher. Okay. That's the first thing. Okay. Second thing, what if someone have multiple variants? This quantity should be before somewhere around here, either somewhere around here, okay, here, 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 little bit space, and then the add to cart button. Okay, it should be here, so everything will go higher. And if someone have color and another whatever here, maybe size, it should be like one here, one here. Okay, size, color, or at least let me erase. Okay, quantity, call to action. I mean, you have taken, I mean, you know what you did, okay? Minus, plus, and then maybe you can have one quantity here, but might be over here up to that point, so not that big line, and another one smaller here. Okay, that should be if there are two. Okay, now another thing, I go let me go over now this one, close that and go over here. I see you have cookies and stuff like that. Customer reviews, okay. Okay, let me see how is the mobile. I need to see the sticky button. Probably you might have sticky button. Okay. You see, it's terrible. I mean, this should be smaller here. The stick is, I don't know if you have sticky button. Now, if you have sticky button, it needs 100% of the time to pull the variants as well. Okay, to pull the variants, not the button, just the button. If you have sticky button on mobile, you need to do that. Yeah, I got this, whatever. Let's check something else. Okay, let me actually go at ecombunny.myshopify.com. And let's choose one product. Now this time, yes, I will give you some feedback. I mean, this one, this is like, we know what this is. Okay, now here, I mean, look at how terrible this is. Okay, yes, you are able to add an image, but obviously you need to have some space. It's so tight squeezed there. It needs to have a little more of space. Simple as that. Now, I assume your developer, like someone from India, Pakistan, and stuff like that, they are very good with code, but they don't have marketing knowledge and they don't know what needs to be done. Now, let's say I'm a customer. I click that. I click it once. Nothing happened. I know the page loading. You see, I click it like 2-3 times in order to understand what's going on. Okay, it needs something. Adjaxify the button. Okay, maybe let me click the back button because I click it many times. I don't understand as a customer. So you need something like to have like a check mark, something like something is pushed. Yes, I put here, but when I click it, I don't understand that I actually press the button and I actually click it like many times. Like, oh, I put on the cart like 2-3 quantities, and you know the customer will say like, oh, I wanted one. They try to sell me 2-3 whatever, you know. Something like below to appear something, yes, thanks, thanks for buying, or thanks, like a check mark here, something that actually push. You can put some shade behind or a better style button, and then something below that says thanks, whatever, this to check. The add to cart, I suggest to give the option to the people to be able to make it bigger, the font, the add to cart font, to be able to make it bigger or smaller, not the button, the font. If you give the button, that's a plus as well. This one, oh my god, this is totally my recommendation, and you got it that from the booster because I told them to add this instead of other themes that they have it on the sender, you know. Okay. And I mean, that's for now. This is like my free, you know, consultation. Obviously, I'm not gonna give more stuff, especially for free, because I give stuff. I mean, I have a ton of messages with the owner of Booster and giving them feedback. They give me the theme, and I test it. I test every update before they roll it up. Right now, they have like the 2.2.1 version. Now, discount code, I mean, yeah, you can have it. I mean, doesn't really matter. But another thing, this button, consider to have them on the top as well, especially for mobile devices, because it's bad. It squeezes too much down there. Okay. Now another thing that you can do, I mean, yeah, you can have here questions and answers. Maybe this like moving this, like moving. I have done this on one of my store, but yeah, that's that. You know, just consider it. I mean, at the end of the day, I don't even care. Okay, that's that. If you have any other question, you know, just let me know. I mean, this one, I mean, even the timer, it changes too fast. I mean, it doesn't look real. Okay, this doesn't look real at all. Okay, so that's that. But yeah, if you have any question, just let me know.